Hey there, creative minds. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I've got something truly mind-blowing to share with you. Ever wished you could bring your pictures to life and turn them into stunning video animations without breaking the bank? Well, hold on to your seats because we're diving into the world of air-powered magic. Picture this, you've got an awesome picture that's just begging to be more than just a static image. Maybe it's a breathtaking landscape, a cute pet pic, or even a special moment captured in time. Today, I'm going to show you how to take that still picture and transform it into a dynamic video animation, all for free, using the power of AI.
Hello guys, welcome back, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you guys how you can be able to turn your pictures into animations or live picture, right? So I'm going to speed up and do that. But before I do that, guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Ebenezer, and one thing I do on this particular channel, the Grind Academy, is that I create awesome videos that is basically centered around making money online, right? So if you want to make money online, be sure to subscribe, right? And also turn on the bell notification icon so that when I upload a new video on how to make money online, you get notified, right? And there are also videos, there are also some other things that I do teach about in my channel. So I'm going to head up right now, speed it up, and show you everything that you need to know. So we're going to be using an app or a website. Is actually a tool. It's called Canva.com. We're going to be using it for this tutorial, for the purpose of this tutorial. So we go to Canva.com, right? And here I've actually on Canva.com you can use a free account for this, but then if you want to get a paid account and you don't want to spend money to get your paid account, you can actually go use one of the strategies I've actually taught in one of my videos. All right, so what you do is basically go to youtube.com and then you type the Grind Academy Canva. All right, so when you type that, this video is going to pop up, and this is the video: how to get Canva Pro for free, Canva Pro for lifetime, 100% working. It works. All right, so back to this. When you get this, you can actually use the strategy to get free Canva, just like you see right now. I'm using a free Canva account. All right, let's get into the deeds. Right, so when you come to Canva, you can just come over right here where you have apps, right? So you click on apps, and it's gonna show you this platform here. So I'm just going to refresh it because it seems like my network is kind of bad. So I'll refresh this window. So now that we're back, we're going to see a lot of apps. All right. So Canva has installed some apps on their platform. Yes, it's not their apps, but they're into collaboration with the app owners, and they are here, right? So you can use these apps with credits. Yeah. So we have DID AI presenters. That's what we're going to be using. So when you click it open right here, now this is going to help us to be able to use their own avatars and turn their own avatars to live, to motion pictures, all right, or pictures that can actually talk, all right. Or you can also use your own pictures right here, and I'm going to show you guys how to do this. Now if you click off right now, you won't know how to do it, so you need to watch this video to the end and you see all the things for yourself. So what you'll be clicking on is use in new design. You have to use an existing design, but I want to click on use in new design. So you click on use in new design, and it's going to suggest to you what you want. So you want a video, and it's going to open up right now. So let's give it some seconds to load up, and the DID is going to load up right now. We're going to see what we're going to do to be able to get these live pictures. This is very simple, right? But you just need to know the procedure. So you can basically choose. You see that there are a lot of avatars here that you can actually use. You have the man one, you have the female one, right? So which one should we use now? Let's use this old woman. Not really old, she's actually a pretty woman. All right, so, and over here you have enter text, or you can use your audio, right? So I can basically record myself and upload the audio right here and use it, all right? But then I don't want to record myself, so I can actually put write something here, and I'm going to generate it, and I'm going to make it talk. So I'm going to get this, and I'm going to copy something from here, and let's come back here, and this is something I've written before now, so I'm just going to paste it here, right? And we're going to choose the accent, what we want it to say. All right, is it from Nigeria? We can use Nigerian accent. The name isn't Abeko, no. So I'm going to use a male presenter. All right, let me use a male presenter here, and let's see if the name is going to change. Abio, it says Abio. I don't know what that means. All right, so I'm just going to click on preview speech, and we're going to listen to it, right?
Welcome back to our channel. Today, I've got something truly mind-blowing to share with you.
All right, so right now this is just the voice that we previewed. It didn't show us the face. So what we have to do is we can click on generate presenter. So let's generate presenter. How many credits do I have? Okay, I have like 16 credits left, so I'm just going to generate presenter. All right, so now let me explain this credits part. If you're gonna have basically when you open this, you're gonna have like 20 credits, right, for a fresh email that you open this with. So, and if this 20 credits gets finished, you will be asked to pay for the monthly subscription plan, which is about $20. Yeah, excuse me. So the emails I've been using, they've been finishing, but what I've been doing is that I've been creating other emails. So I use other emails to sign into this app. So we'll just give it a while to load up, and it's loading up. It's taking a while to do that because it's want to fix all of this. All right, so it's done, and I can actually resize this the way I want. I can actually get it bigger. All right, I can actually get this bigger. Okay, and we can play this. All right, and I can actually change avatar. All right, if I change avatar, I'm going to need to generate like for 2 more. All right, so that is it for this one now. So I'm going to show us basically how I made the AI that we're using for the intro of this video. Okay, so what I did basically is I'm going to remove this. All right, and I'm just going to come over right here and click on upload, and I'm going to upload my one of my pictures. So I'm just going to go to pictures, yeah, and I'm going to upload this one. I think this works. So I'm going to click open. All right, and it's going to load up here. So when it loads up, I'm just going to put it here and go to DID presenters, and this is what I click on upload again. Okay, let me use this again. Click on open. So I'm just going to delete this one. Go back and click on upload again. Okay, it says uploading. All right, so it's basically here, and I'm just going to click on it. All right, and this is the intro script I used. So I'm just going to right click and select all, and then copy, come back to Canva and come over right here and paste this, right? So I'm going to select Nigeria, and yes, I'm going to use a mail, and I'm going to click on preview speech, and we're going to listen to it. Yeah,
Creative minds, welcome back to our channel. Today I've got something truly mind-blowing to share with you.
all right.
Ever wished you could bring your pictures to life and turn them into stunning video animations without breaking the bank? Well, hold on to your seats because we're diving into the world of air-powered magic. Host, picture this. You've got an awesome picture that you just made.
All right, so there's some things I wrote here as scripts that I will need to edit. So I'll just need to go back here, and this will need to be deleted. All right, blah 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 blah, and I'm going to right click again, select all. I'm going to copy, and I'm going to come back to here. I'm going to right click all of this, delete. I want to make sure they are no longer there. Delete this. Okay, delete this one again, so the coast is basically clear. So I'll right click again and paste this. All right, so this is it again. So I'm going to preview speech again. So you see it actually we've gotten what we want. So right now I have this videos. It's actually a live video right now. So yeah, this is it basically. This is what you can do, and when you've done this, you can actually come over right here and click on share. All right, come over right here, we'll have share right here. You click on share and you can go ahead and you can download it. All right, so I'm going to download, I'm going to go ahead and download this now. And yeah, I have my live still photo. So having showed you guys this is really simple. You can actually tweak this, use the picture you want. And if you want to get a picture that's going to be perfect, that the head is not going to be bent like this, make sure you look straight to the camera while you're taking the picture. So that is the secret, basically. All right, so guys, having shown you this, guys, I'm actually going to run away right now and allow you guys to actually put in the action and go ahead, experiment on this. Just like I told you earlier, you can actually use the upload audio section. That's you upload with your own voice, and your voice gets to say it that way. All right, so it's a peace out right now. See you guys in my next video.